Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the TV Wi-Fi streaming to high quality or data saver on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on TV. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. And in here, you can choose high quality or you can choose data saver. So for high quality, stream uses more data, and for data saver, stream up to 1 gigabyte per hour. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your settings menu, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.